Typically, they say it takes around 40 gallons of maple sap to make a gallon of maple syrup. That depends on the sugar content of the sap. Sap has a tendency to run when it's above 40 degrees or so during the day and drops below freezing in the evening. What we have here is the boiling down of 6 or 7 gallons of sap. We'll boil this down a little bit more and probably end up with half a pint of syrup. We are very close to maple syrup. You could do specific gravity, but you can see it start to bubble up even more. We have to watch it that it doesn't overflow. So we will have a little bit of sediment in this because we didn't filter it through like a coffee filter. That's called sugar sand. It's mostly particulates left over from the sap. There's nothing bad in it. It just gives it a cloudy look. So you do not see that in commercial maple syrup. So right here you see from Shea Reuter the first maple syrup of 2018.